day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we have two popular fitness tracker. We have the Huawei Band 9 and the Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro. We are going to have a comparison review of this popular fitness tracker. We are going to check on the specs, the design, and the features of both wearable. If you have the Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro and you did not upgrade to the Smartband 8 Pro, but you are thinking whether you are going to get the Huawei Band 9 or not, this video comparison is for you. So if you have any questions regarding the video comparison, or if you have any questions about the Huawei Band 9 or the Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Alright, let's start. Again, this is our Huawei Band 9 and the Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro. As you can see here, they are both fitness tracker style design. We have here the specifications before we dive in to the design as well as the features. Again, we have here the Huawei Band 9. This is our Huawei Band 9. And as you can see here, it has a 43.45 by 24.86 by 8.9 millimeter. Much slimmer than the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro and much lighter. As you can see here, 49 grams only. For the screen display, so we have 1.47 inch AMOLED, while the other one has a 1.64 inch. So much bigger and with a higher pixel per inch. Okay. And of course, for the sensors, you almost have the same sensor here. They have accelerometer, gyroscope. They both have an ambient light sensor, and at the same time, they also have a long battery life and 580 mAh water resistant rating. Going back to the design here, so let's have a closer look with the Huawei Band 9 and this Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. In all aspects, I guess the Smart Band 7 Pro do have a much longer when it comes to length and wider body frame. On the side, the Huawei Band 9 is much slimmer. Both do have a slight curved body frame and with a glossy type design. We have here a stainless steel, and at the back we have a PC material. For the Huawei Band 9, we have a glossy and physical button. Again, slightly curved body frame with a single physical button on the side. At the back, okay, let me show it to you. We have a PC back cover for both wearable, as you can see here. Magnetic charging cable, pogo pin. And as you can see here, we have the sensor. To change this strap, you have to press this one and it will automatically detach the strap. It is compatible with other third-party strap. You can buy it online. Okay, so for the dimension again, so we have here the dimension. 44.7 millimeter. 28.8 millimeter, while the other one is 24.86, and 8.9 millimeter here. The Smartband 7 Pro is much thicker, having 11 millimeter. 20 grams, 14 grams for the Band 9. Okay, for the features here, or for the UI, so on top we have the quick settings for the Huawei Band 9. For the Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro, we have the notifications. On the bottom part, we have the notifications for the Xiaomi or for the Huawei Band 9, while for the Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro, we have the main menus. On the left side, we have the weather, and we have here the quick settings for the other one. On the right side, we have the different cards. While for the Huawei Band 9, we have here the health, the sports, sleep monitoring, and the automatic activity tracking. To access the main menu for the Huawei Band 9, you have to press the power button or the home button. For the Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro, just swipe from the bottom to top. Okay, so let's check on the different menus. So we have here the workout, as you can see here. Workout records, activity tracking, statistics, workout status. We have the running sports. We also have the heart rate. They almost have the same logo here or icon. We have the blood oxygen monitoring. We also have it here. Sleep monitoring. We also have it here on our Huawei Band 9. They almost have the same features here when it comes to health. We have stress, breathing exercises, as you can see. Women physiological cycle for the Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro. We have music control, weather, calendar. Do we have a calendar here? We don't have that. We have events. We have the cards. We have alarm. We have the music control here, as you can see. Camera remote control. Seems like we don't have it here on our Huawei Band 9. Do we have it here? I don't see it. Okay, we have stopwatch, find phone, timer, flashlight. We also have it here. Find Alipay and settings. For the settings, we have the band display, watch face for our Band 9. Display vibration, custom cards, do not disturb mode, auto detect. App layout, we also have it here. Sleep mode, pin, we also have a pin here. So app layout, this is the multiple menu options. Vibration, pin, notifications, broadcast. Okay, and we have system and update. We have the system here. So system and update, restart, power off, and disconnect and reset. About the band. For the watch face, let's see. So we have the watch face section, band display. So we have at least 1, 2, 3, 4. For the watch face, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have at least 7 watch faces. So far, as you can see here, they almost have the same features here, the same options. For the sports, let's see. I don't see any quick reply for the Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro, but we do have it here on the Huawei Band 9. Workout, we have the workout, walking, indoor run, outdoor walk, treadmill, indoor cycle, pool swimming, jump rope, pool. What else do we have here? So it is categorized into different category here for the Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro. We also have it here in our Huawei Band 9. Okay, so you can pick. So at least, I think they both wearable do have at least more than 100 sports function, if I'm not mistaken. For the heart rate, let's see the UI here. We have the heart rate. So we have the heart rate here. Okay, both can detect whether you are wearing the wearable or not. If you are not wearing the wearable, it will not continue checking the heart rate. The same with the blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so we all have it here. Okay, we have music control. Okay, so both based on our test with the Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro, it can also adjust the volume and show the name of the song or the audio. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro and the Huawei Band 9. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have the time.